Alright, here I am in my 100th video. This is my 100th video special part 1. And before I'll start, I just want to thank you all my friends, my subscribers, my fans, my, I don't know, video viewers. Just everybody I know on YouTube to be watching my videos. And here I am now to bringing you this 100 video special. And here I am got a glitch by WaitTech6000 to climb up there. Yeah, he did that with the health pack, just showing you that you can do it with the thruster pack. Oh crap. Just jump on this mushroom and you should strike up this rock and then double jump, long jump here, double jump, long jump there, double jump, long jump up here, and you're on top. And this is what he didn't show. You can also double jump, long jump, and you can make it there. And you can walk on this roof. You can walk on this roof. Oh, wait. And you're in a secret area right here. Pretty cool, huh? Go more. You should fall down somewhere here. Whatever, I'm in a cave. So okay. Next, this glitch is by JONOVID. JONOVID, whatever. Oh crap. Sorry. So this glitch is by JONOVID. He called it underworld cheat hacking. It's not cheating, it's not hacking, nothing. It's just simple decoy glitch. And you're gonna do it in this corner. Hopefully it'll work. Yes, it worked. And you're in the stairs. Be careful. Now here, should walk through here somewhere. Oh no, I did it bad. Let's try again. I think it's somewhere in this area where he did that. I don't think it's there. Somewhere here. I knew it. Oh man. No! Oh come on, just simply go through here. Decoy yourself. Oh, now not in that. Okay, here it is. This underworld cheat hack. He came through there. Or here. And this is the cheat hack world that he called. It's just a simple glitch, but it's pretty cool. Oh, next. Alright, so now I'm on Battaglia and I've got two glitches. Both glitches are from QuestForGlitches and they are speedrun. So first one is right here. Oh crap. Just come on this tube and then what the heck? Gotta use helipack. Sorry, I'm wasting time now. And you're up really fast. Okay, second one is speedrun 2. Just come over here. Somewhere here, I think it was. And you should high jump and can grab, and you're here much faster. So that's really useful glitch. Thank you. Next. Okay, so here I am in Pokitaru, and I got a glitch by THECHEATErr, but I'm not sure if THECHEATErr is the real founder of the glitch. I think I saw this glitch before, but I'm not sure now. Whatever. So double jump and strike up there, or do that, and you should stand here. Now double jump and should range climb that, but it's very hard. Oh, it should take a while. Oh. Come on, Ratchet. Okay, no. Oh, come on. Oh no, looks like I'm gonna use the heli climb technique, which isn't good. I mean, it's good, but not really good to use. Whatever. And they're up here. Cool. You can also walk around these hills, which is very awesome. Hide. Oh crap. Branch climb. Oh, come on. It's wasting my time in the video. No! Oh, I'm noob. Oh, okay, come on. After a long weeks, months, years, I'm back here. Now I'll try to climb up there with my thruster pack, because range climbing is much better with the thruster pack. Right in here. Oh no. And it's back here. Okay. Okay, now. And this place where actually I'm aiming looks similar to the place in the Size Matters, right where the Luna was captured. I think it's the same place, because it looks very similar, but this time are different colors here. Let's see if I can go up there. I don't think. Oh, come on. Oh, I can go there. Whatever. Okay, next. Here's glitch by Naruto Shippuden 91. Come over to this corner and decoy yourself through the wall. Sometimes hard. I hate decoying in Ratchet and Clank 1. It sucks so much. Crap. I don't have time to messing around with the decoys. Should work now? No. How about now? Okay, I'm out. And now you can actually walk on the whole this first fleet and the Drex fleet. Pretty cool. Let's go on top in the front of. You can't fall down there. Don't do that. You can also go on this ship and go inside. Return to launch bay. And it's time for the last glitch, which is by Hybrid 2555. 555. Yeah. It's going to swimming in space. Just wait, because it's freaking hard to do. Let's see if it will work now. Jump out. Oh no, it's not working. What the hell? Why am I standing on this? I should fall through. Come on. If you come in there. Oh no, it's not working. Oh man, it's not working. Oh, wait, I'll show you the entire glitch. Finally it happened. So this will happen if you are swimming in air, I mean swimming in space. And you can swim anywhere like that, but on the whatever. So I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my 100 video special. Part 2 coming soon, which will be Ratchet and Clank 2 glitches. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This is my 100 video, and see ya.